Understanding Brandishing Threats, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, brandishing threats. This phrase is not just about words but about the action and intensity behind them. Let's delve into what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday English. Stay tuned to become more fluent and confident in your English language skills. First off, let's dissect this phrase. Brandishing refers to the act of waving or displaying something aggressively, especially a weapon, as a means of threat or excitement. Threats, on the other hand, are statements or actions intended to cause harm or force someone to do something against their will. When combined, brandishing threats involves making threats with a lot of show or aggression, often to intimidate or coerce someone. It's a vivid expression that evokes the image of someone not just making a threat but doing so in a very visible and forceful manner. Understanding where phrases come from can help us grasp their full meaning and use them more effectively. The term brandish originates from the Old French word brander, which means to wave or flourish a weapon violently. Over time, its use expanded beyond physical weapons to include figurative ones, like words or threats. Brandishing threats is therefore used to describe a situation where someone is not just threatening another but doing so in an overt, forceful, and sometimes theatrical manner. It's commonly used in legal, literary, and everyday contexts to describe actions that are meant to intimidate or exert power. To help you understand how to use brandishing threats in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. The villain in the movie was brandishing threats at the townspeople, causing panic and fear. During the negotiation, one party began brandishing threats of legal action if their demands were not met. The leader was accused of brandishing threats against other countries, escalating tensions in the region. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to describe the act of making aggressive threats. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, brandishing threats. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your English conversations and writing. Remember, learning phrases like these can add depth and nuance to your language skills, making you a more effective communicator. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.